Hey guys, how you all are doing? I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. So in this video, we'll talk about this device, which is a MI Water TDS Tester. Before going into the video directly, let me just talk about TDS a bit. So TDS means total dissolved solid, and it indicates how safe is your drinking water. So if the TDS level of your drinking water is below 300 ppm, that means this drinking water is very safe for you. And if the TDS level is above 1200 ppm in your drinking water, that means that is not at all acceptable and simply you cannot drink that water. In this video, I'll unbox this device and I'll show you how to use this device and how to check your water TDS level. My name is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Oni Online. So guys, this is the box pack of MI Water TDS Tester. It has an anti-rust and anti-corrosion sensor. It has a LCD display to show the readings, and it can read up to 0 to 9990 ppm of TDS. On this side you have the MRP of the device quoted here, which is rupees 499 only, but on the MI website this device is available for rupees 399, and additionally you need two LR44 batteries which costs you around 50 rupees in the local market. Now let me just quickly unbox the device and let's see how the device looks like and what are the things we can get inside the box. Okay, so this is the TDS tester as you can see, and this is the user manual. So here you have the LCD display to show up the TDS rating of your water, and guys, since the display is small, you will see multiples here. That means if the TDS level of your water is 2000, you will see 200 into 10 here. And this is the button, and here is a cap, and inside this TDS testing sensor as you can see over here, and this is the battery compartment. So just let me install the batteries and then we'll continue. If you can see, here is the marking of the positive and negative side, so accordingly I have to install the batteries. So the batteries are installed now, so just let me put the cover on, and whenever you press this button the device will turn on and it will show 0 reading because there is no water in contact with the sensors. This device looks very nice actually. It looks like a small thermometer and the shape is very nice. From the aesthetic point of view, the device is really very nice. And on this side, MI Water TDS Tester is written here as you can see. Now let me show you how to use this device. And guys, watch this part of this video very carefully because I have seen many YouTubers and some of them having more than crores of subscribers. They are using the device in the wrong way and they are showing it on their YouTube channel, which is not correct. So please watch this part very carefully to understand how to actually use this device. Before we go into the testing directly, just let me tell you a bit why knowing your water TDS level is important. Because as I have already told earlier in this video, that if your water TDS level is below 300, that means the water is very safe for you to drink, and if the TDS level is above 1200 ppm, that means you cannot simply drink this water, and that is not at all acceptable. And you have to select your type of water purifier depending upon the water TDS level. I am giving you a chart as you can see on the screen right now. So you have to select your water purifier according to your water TDS level as you can see now on the chart. Now let's get into the testing and I'll show you how to use this device to test your water TDS level. The correct way of using this device is you have to fill 2/3 of this cap with water and then you have to put the tester inside the cap like this. So just let me do the same now. So guys, let me just fill it with water up to 2/3 of its capacity. Yes, and now just let me insert the TDS tester inside the cap. So yes, I have switched it on and just let me insert this. And guys, here is the reading which is 530. This cap has something like oleophobic coating, so that is why there is no water sticking inside the cap. Guys, I was really not expecting that TDS level of my drinking water is above 500 ppm. So definitely now I have to go for a good water purifier. But anyways, that's all for this video. If you have any question, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through the Facebook page or my Twitter handle. If you have find this video helpful, please do hit the like button below, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And if you have liked this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.